Ever wondered what's lurking inside your old water heater? Today, we're cutting straight through years of hard water history. Let's take a peek at what's inside. First, let's inspect the water heater's anode rod. Wait, what the heck is an anode rod, and what is its job? The anode rod inside your water heater acts as a sacrificial hero, attracting corrosive elements before they can damage the tank walls. On this unit, the anode rod is almost disintegrated. That means the tank of the water heater was next in line. This is what your anode looks like when it's new. Next, let's see if there is any nasty sludge at the bottom of this water heater. Oh man, doesn't that look tasty and refreshing? When debris and sediment like this pile up, your heater works harder, wastes energy, and can cause it to fail early. A simple annual flush removes the gunk, keeps water clear, and can add years to the unit's life. Book your water heater maintenance with Kettle Moraine today and keep the hot water flowing.